आज जानेंगे डायलिसिस आरओ प्लांट रिवर्स ओस्मोसिस के बारे में। Desalination, types of dialysis, membrane dialysis, thermal dialysis. Raw water chemical parameters, pH 25 degrees Celsius 8.2, conductivity 260 microsecond, calcium 12.5 mg L, magnesium 3.4 mg L, sodium 36.0 mg L, chloride 60 mg L, total suspended solids less than 5 mg L, TDS 240 mg L, total alkalinity is CaCO 46 mg L, total hardness is CaCO 45 mg L. Required water parameters for hemodialysis, pH 25 degrees Celsius 7-7.5, conductivity 10 microsiemens, calcium nil, magnesium nil, sodium nil, chlorides less than 5 mg liter, total suspended solids less than 5 mg liter, TDS less than 20 mg liter, total alkalinity is CaCO less than 12 mg liter. Total hardness is CaCO less than 2 mg liter. Raw water tank. Culligan will supply the raw water tank for storing the raw water before feeding it to the pre-treatment. Quantity 1 pick. Capacity 2 घन मीटर. Material of construction polyethylene. Dimension Deer 1.32 meters by h 1.88 meter. Manhole size 0.37 meter. Provided with float level switch.
The raw water pumps are used to pump the raw water to the pre-treatment section of the treatment. Quantity 2, 1 duty plus 1 standby. Flow rate 3 cubic meters per hour. PET 5 bar. Material of construction impeller, SS316. Casing, SS316. Liquid to be pumped raw potable water. Make of the pump Grundfos. Installed power 0.75 kilowatts. Power supply 230 volts 50 Hz. D. Description of filtration system. Filtration is a process by which the suspended matters are removed from the water by passing it through a suitable filter media. The raw water containing turbidity, suspended matter, free chlorine, taste, odor, color and organic are passed through the filter bed. The sand bed retains the turbidity and suspended matter from the water, whereas the activated carbon filter bed removes free chlorine, taste, and color from the water. The efficiency and selectivity of the filter varies depending upon the type of filter bed used. In the filter, filtration is a process of physical removal of matters from the water. Therefore, after time, the filter bed accumulates foreign matter such as suspended particles, etc., which offers resistance to the flow of water through the bed. The filter bed requires to be washed for further operation. The filter bed is washed by passing water through the bed in opposite direction to the service flow. The process is called backwash of the filter. The backwash flow loosens the bed and removes the matter accumulated in the bed. The backwashed water carrying dirt, suspended matter, etc., are disposed of via the drain. The frequency of backwash depends upon the load in the raw water and size of the filter. However, a typical frequency is once in 24 hours. Interview kuche yane bala kucha question. What is hard water? Water is said to be hard when it carries too high a concentration of calcium and magnesium. Acceptable water hardness levels will vary depending on the application. Why should hardness be removed? Hard water causes scaling and etching, which greatly impairs the life and efficiency of boilers, air conditioning systems, cooling towers, water heaters, refrigeration plants and other equipment using water. How does it work? The components of dissolved minerals are called ions. They carry either a positive or negative charge. Hardness ions of minerals dissolved in water carry a positive charge. These positively charged ions, cations, are attracted to a synthetic softening material called ion exchange resin, the heart of the softening system. Therefore, is a deep bed of resin which draws calcium and magnesium ions, as well as ferrous, iron, from the water as it passes through the resin bed. Can the resin draw out hardness ions indefinitely? No. During normal operation, the resin becomes saturated with positive ions and functions less efficiently. When hardness leakage occurs, the resin should be regenerated to restore its efficiency. How do you regenerate resin? You regenerate a resin bed by removing the mineral ions through a process called ion exchange. This regeneration process occurs in 4 steps and takes approximately 80 to 90 minutes. Backwash. During the backwash step, raw water flows rapidly upward, in reverse direction to the service flow through the resin bed to expand the bed and flush out accumulated dirt, sediment and other sources of turbidity. Brine draw. The brine solution consisting of water and salt is drawn from a brine storage tank and allowed to flow slowly down through the resin bed. The brine solution removes the calcium and magnesium ions from the resin. This cycle can also be split into 3 sub-cycles, which allow for the cost-saving feature of brine reclaim. Slow rinse. Brine draw is then followed by a raw water slow rinse. This rinse step will slowly remove most of the remaining brine, exchanged calcium and magnesium ions from the resin. This cycle can also be split into 3 subtitles which allow for the cost-saving feature of brine reclaim. Fast rinse. Slow rinse is followed by a raw water flush, a very rapid downflow of raw water which removes the last traces of brine and settles the resin bed. How often must you regenerate? Frequency must be determined for each installation based on the amount of water usage, its degree of hardness and the amount of resin through which it flows. In some cases it is necessary to utilize a resin cleaner when the raw water contains iron. Contact your local Culligan dealer for more information. How do you control the regeneration process? The regeneration process for your commercial water softener is controlled automatically either on a predetermined time, volume, or external signal basis through the use of the Culligan MVP controller with optional flow sensor. See page 8. For further information, the regeneration process can also be initiated manually by the operator as required.